Hello beautiful people, join me as a mama of 3 children with a bonus son, a wife who live in Spain with her family. This morning I wake up on time because my children still dey sleep, so I decide to clean my parlour. For this video I wan put my chair cover because my chair cover don dry. I don wash am since the day yesterday and e don already dry. So I begin dey arrange my chair cover so that e go make my chair look sam. In case you want to buy this kind of chair cover, make you just run go where dem for dey sell am. Na share na for buy am, make you go buy your own. Because if you be mama when e get plenty children, especially the one when e get small children, no be every time you need to dey change your chair. All of us know say children dem dey use chair take dey play well. If dem no put water put, dem go piss put. If dem no piss put, dem go use soup take rub am. So for that reason, you need chair cover like this so that your parlour go dey always dey look neat. Because you see me, so I like neat place. Anywhere wey neatness dey, na there I dey always dey. Na make I dey always dey keep my house clean. No matter how small the place be, or no matter how small the chair be, the place must do wetin? Clean. Cleanliness, dem say e dey next to wetin? Godliness. So if you be person wey be say you no sabi clean your house, e no good o. You need to dey clean your house. No be every time you go dey make excuse dey say na children na children do this, na children do that. Because children go always be children. Where children dey, there will always be children. Even if you tell dem say make dem no near where your chair dey, omo, na that place wey you say make dem no go, na im dem go. So as you see me, so I just dey arrange my chair cover. You dey see as I dey put am one after the other so that my chair cover go fine. E go make sam. I don put the first one finish. I arrange am very well make e for enter inside. Na so I put the hand of the chair cover. You see this chair, so everything complete. So just relax, make you dey watch me the way I dey arrange am. You see as I don arrange that side finish, e don almost finish. I still get to do the middle one. Make I for dey do am fast because work when e dey my hand to still do, e plenty. So I have to be fast to do it very well. Now I don put that one finish. I wan begin dey put the cover of the chair. You dey see, and this one, so na me sew this one with my hand. I mean the pillowcase. So yes, the pillowcase. As you see am, so all those small pillow wey you go dey hold for hand, wey you go use take dey rub yourself if e be say you sit down for chair, na me cress am out of the main material wey I get from this particular chair cover. For this place I don almost finish. So by the time I finish, I still get another thing to do. Now na the second to last one now I dey do. So as I don do that one, e come remain this one, so when I go do, you dey see am. If I don wear this one put like this now, sam, e go come finish. You see as my parlour dey look na. Oh, look am now. E come dey like say I buy new chair put and I no buy new chair. Oh, thank you for